In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable Cloudflare plugins on your Netlify projects to streamline your workflow and improve site performance. Managing your cache is an essential part of web development, and connecting these two powerful platforms can save you a lot of manual effort. To get started, you first need to log into your Netlify dashboard and head over to your main account page. Once you are there, take a look at the left sidebar layout where you will see several options for managing your sites. You want to look for the section labeled Extensions or Integrations, depending on the current version of the interface you are using. After clicking on that, you will be taken to a marketplace where you can browse various tools. Use the search bar provided to look for the Cloudflare Cache Purge extension. When the results appear, click on the specific card for that plugin to open up the detail page. From here, you should see a button to install or enable the integration. Simply click that button, and a prompt will appear asking you to select the specific site project you want to connect it to. Choose your project from the list, and follow any additional authentication prompts to link your Cloudflare account credentials. Once it is connected, Netlify will automatically handle purging your Cloudflare cache every time you deploy a new version of your site. This ensures your visitors always see the freshest content without you having to lift a single finger. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you optimize your deployment process today.